Hi, my name is Shreya Seshadri and I've completed almost 5 months of my internship here at Silveroaks today. And that is the experience I would like to share with you today. I've been a student at Silveroaks since 2013 and I graduated from grade 12 in 2023, following which I had to take a gap year due to some health reasons. It was during this time that when I came back to school as an alumni, I was talking with our Director of Education, Dr. Sita Murthy ma'am, and she extended this opportunity to me to come and intern in the school. And of course, I grabbed at that opportunity with both hands. But when I began, I was still hesitant about a lot of things. I had a lot of fear about would I be able to exercise new skills in this new role, which I didn't have yet. But my experience here has been nothing short of phenomenal and very enlightening. That is because I've first of all been able to participate and engage in a whole host of activities. Administrative activities like collecting, organizing and handling data, planning month-long processes, coordinating events, and creative activities like design and editing, content creation, website making, anchoring and presenting at meetings and events, collaging data, all of those sort of things. But the most transformative and actually educational part of this journey has been interacting with almost all of the working staff here and the student community. Because the Silveroaks ecosystem, I believe, is truly a family. I've formed valuable connections with the security guards, the working staff, so many teachers, activity wing members and students, and most importantly, the administrative department here. They've been extremely accommodating and encouraging, pushing me to do so many new things after, of course, giving me the skills and resources required to do so. And the conversations that I've had here have genuinely changed my mindset and developed a fascination within me for all of these new fields of study and areas of interest. And they will stay with me for a long, long time to come. So I, started here feeling some kind of way, but I'm leaving Silveroaks again now with a newfound strength and enthusiasm. I feel like just now I've truly understood all of the different aspects of the schoolhouse after getting this job-like experience. And I'm very grateful for what Silveroaks has done for me for all of these years, and I hope I've been able to give back a little bit of it in these 5 months. But of course, I hope that I can do much more of that in the future. And I'm not being made to say this, but I would wholeheartedly recommend any future student at Silveroaks to come back and intern here, because it's truly learning as good as it can get and in one of the best environments possible. Thank you.